Alright, today we have another tool you can use video, and this one is from classtools.net, and it's the random name picker. So if you go to classtools.net/random-name-picker/ then you can find this tool, and it's pretty easy to use. So let's look at how you're going to use it. Alright, so once you go here, the first thing you want to do is click this Edit Save button. So they just have a bunch of random names in there that they put in there, and you can do a couple things. First, you can just type in names that you want to, right? And you can just put in your names if you want to type them in. But that's, might be a little slow way of doing things. But if you want to, that's one way. You can get your names into here pretty quickly, and it will, once you're done, you can go ahead and hit Save List, right? And you can tell it, yes, I want to. I'm gonna go ahead and put a password in. All right, and now I have a note. I have that version of it. I can also, instead of typing them, I can get them from my gradebook or somewhere like that and copy them and just paste the names in here, just like that. So, so I'm just going to hit Submit, and you see it makes a little tile for each student's name, and then when I spin it, it makes a nice little spinny sound, and then now I have a random student to call on, and I can even remove that student, and so now when I spin it again, that student's name doesn't appear, and so that way I can just call on each student one time, right? And you see the pie slices get a little bit larger every time that I spin it, but that way I know that I'm not calling on anybody more than once, right? I can even save this from where I am, right? And I can hit Show Remaining Entries, and I can save this list as currently shown, right? And so that way, when I come back to it, I can just, the next day, I can continue to whittle this down until I've let everybody have a chance to participate. I can make a brand new one, right? And I can start over by editing it, right? Okay, it's got to do this little thing. Okay, and then I can paste my names in there, right, all over again, and put in my password. Okay, and now I'm ready to go because I have a brand new random name picker, and I can tell it to spin. Now I don't have to remove the students after I spin. I can just click over here, and it'll just keep spinning. And allow me to keep using the same group of students over and over again. But of course I will continue to double those students and keep using them over again if I don't hit remove. Okay, so I can hit this share or embed, and I can put this into a web page. I can embed it on any one that lets me add an embed code, right? Or I can download the web shortcut right there, right, to this, so I can put it into my Google Classroom or some other thing like that. All right, this has been the random name picker. So classtools.net/random-name-picker. Hope that you find this video useful.